Hey there, are you looking to finance a box truck in 2025, but you've got poor credit, so you're not sure if you'll be able to get it done? If so, stick around. I want to put you on to 4 different ways you could potentially finance that box truck in 2025 with challenged credit. Let's go ahead and dive in. All right, first and foremost, my name is Sean, and this is The Sean Show. I've been doing business financing for quite some time. I work as a broker, which means that I'm connected with a lot of different lenders with a lot of different appetites. So I can pretty much find a home for a lot of different scenarios out there. Now, the first way that you can get financed for a box truck in 2025 with bad credit, meaning a 600 credit score or lower, credit scores in the 400s or 500s, major credit issues, is if you have a 40% down payment, I can pretty much get anyone financed. Now, bear in mind, I know cash is king. You want to hang on to as much cash as possible. I'll try to get you the lowest down payment possible, but realistically, if your credit is under 600, it's going to be a 35 to 40% down payment. All right. Number 2 is with a similar lender or same lenders, they'll potentially finance you without the 40% down payment if you can pledge secondary collateral instead of the down payment. For example, if you had a box truck that's worth, say, $25,000 auction value, then they'll give you $25,000 towards either the down payment, or you'd be able to finance another box truck that's worth about $25,000 without a down payment. Of course, the payment would be higher than if you put 40% down. The third way you can potentially finance a box truck in 2025 with bad credit is if you're an existing business, you can potentially do a revenue-based working capital loan. The way that works is you submit a 1-page application, 3 months most recent bank statements, and they analyze your revenue and they'll give you an advance based on the amount of revenue going through your account. So let's say you have $100,000 that's going through there each month. Annualized, that'd be like 1.2 million. They'll potentially advance you about 10% of that. And of course, it depends on all the particulars. The fourth way you can potentially finance a box truck with bad credit is if you do own real estate, we can potentially do a private money loan, also formerly known as a hard money loan. But they're loans that aren't as credit sensitive. It's more based on just the equity in the house that you own or the property that you own. Usually, as long as you don't owe more than 60 or 70%, it's a pretty easy loan to get. They get funded within, 5 days to 2 weeks. So there you have it. There's 4 different ways that you can finance a box truck in 2025 with challenged credit. I'd love to hear from you if you're looking for financing for your business or for any other reason. Contact information is down in the description below. Enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.